Hey beauties, it's Riri. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing my Ipsy Glam bag and my Boxycharm by Ipsy for the month of April. Alright beauties, before we dive in, please don't forget to subscribe if you like what you see and turn on your notification bell so you never miss any uploads. There's also a join button right down there that you can click to become a channel member for exclusive perks. We're diving right in. I just received my PR box from Ipsy. Thank you to Ipsy for gifting. I really quickly, just to clear up any confusion or anything like that, as Ipsy kind of transitions from Boxycharm and Ipsy into one subscription box, I'm going to quickly read off all of our deets, and then I'll also hold this up close so that you can screenshot this, just so that you're in the know, you know exactly what's going on. But Ipsy and Boxy have merged. We're going to be receiving a glam bag. You get 5 deluxe beauty samples personalized for you for $13 a month. Plus you get 24/7 insider access to unbeatable deals up to 80% off. Boxycharm will now be Boxycharm by Ipsy. You'll get 5 full-size products for $28 a month. Also unlocking 24/7 insider access to buzzworthy beauty brands like Too Faced, Glow Recipe, Tarte, and more. Then we'll have the Icon box. Experience 8 uber coveted products curated by beauty's biggest icons, worth up to $350 for only $58 a quarter. We have Power Picks. Every month, members will now get superstar products from beauty's most wanted brands, at least 1 with your glam bag and 2 with your Boxycharm. We're calling them Power Picks. These beauty faves will make the entire monthly subscription worth every penny, trust. By also removing the drawstring Glam Bag Plus, we can now invest in better beauty products for a total value of up to $200. There's also going to be the Mega Drop Shop. Member exclusive deals are about to get even better. We're now offering Mega Drop Shop quarterly sales, where subscribers can snag epic deals up to 80% off of hundreds of top brands and products. And then there's Beauty Boost as well. That is max beauty, less money. Add Beauty Boost to your Ipsy membership. You'll get first dibs on a premium bonus full-size product for $15 a month, guaranteed savings of 60%, and that will ship with your actual box. And then, of course, they are becoming one and the same, great on our own, gorgeous together. I am going to hold this up here so you guys can see it and hopefully be able to screenshot it. Just in the case that you're still a little bit unsure. You would have also received emails, and everything will obviously transition over to now the Ipsy website. We're gonna dive in, and I do not get any spoilers or anything like that. I do not watch anybody else's videos or anything, obviously, until I get mine. And I am sans makeup aside from my sun protection, my eyebrows, and a little bit of mascara in case we can try something on. Alright, Ipsy Creator Incubator, we hope you love your products this month, and this is April 2023. Anything is possible. A new season is bound to welcome some amazing changes, for us and for you. While we're bringing the best of Ipsy and Boxycharm together under Ipsy to create the ultimate beauty membership, get ready to embrace all the new possibilities this spring. Making more thoughtful, sustainable beauty choices, it's Earth Month after all, experimenting with the latest makeup trends, and expressing every gorgeous side of you. And typically you would have an informative card that would let you know what's in your bag, box, etc. That's not with this particular thing. I guess I'm gonna grab what's on top and then kind of close the box so I don't see anything. So here is our Ipsy. Again, that is $13 monthly. And I do apologize for my absence. If you know, my husband's father passed away recently, and he was actually able to take a little bit of time off and kind of be away from work. So we've really been just spending time together, and then we went out of town to see our son for Easter. So I hope you guys understand. Thank y'all for being patient. If you're new here, also y'all, I'm like 18 subscribers away from 3,000 subscribers. I have an amazing 3K giveaway. I will link it up here. If you want to subscribe and you want to go enter, it's not too late, y'all. We are so close. Thank you guys so, so much. All right, the bag, I don't like it. It's got some kind of whatever flowers these are. It is canvas. Not my favorite, but I don't typically keep these. I throw in mystery bags and stuff like that. First thing I feel is in some bubble wrap. That's always a good sign for me. And this is from Shayna B. I feel like we've gotten this before. It is an eyeshadow duo, and yes, that looks very, very familiar to me. Probably not going to keep that. We'll pass that along, do a giveaway or something with that later on down the line. Next up, I have the Hey Honey Come Clean Facial Scrub. I really love Hey Honey's products, and I will keep this, especially because we travel to see our son. Next up, I feel something big. That's what she said. It is the Professional Good Cleanup Pore Purifying Foaming Cleanser, and I think this is probably a mini, and this is one of Benefit's newer lines, so I'm really excited to see that in our bag. Next up is the I Am Beautiful by Real Her, the Length and Volume Mascara. That is what that looks like. And the brow pencils from Real Her are some of my holy grail products. I've gone through literally countless numbers of them. Obsessed. And then last but not least in our Ipsy is the Shades by Shan, the gel eyeliner in brown sugar. I may actually keep this. I kind of typically complain because we get so many black eyeliners, but I'm really intrigued by this. I really like brown eyeliners. Oh, that is a very rich, pretty neutral brown, and it does seem incredibly creamy, so hey, I'm excited about that. Not my favorite bag. It's not a bad bag. We definitely got our mascara, our liner, and eyeshadow, so you could create a little mini eye look. I think that's great. Facial scrub and a cleanser, so not my favorite, but not horrible. Now we'll dive into the Boxycharm by Ipsy. First up, I see, ooh, Drunk Elephant, the O Blues Rosy Drops. It says Fortify and Blush, omega fatty acids, and sapanwood bark. All right, you know what? We'll try these real quick. I just want to see what it looks like on the skin. Component, super freaking cute. Okay, I have no idea how to use this. I've never used this before, obviously. Shake well before use. Dab a tiny bit onto your cheeks or anywhere else you want to add a warm, natural looking flush. Add a drop to your serums, your creams. Oh, this sounds like it's going to be so freaking beautiful. This sounds right up my alley. If you know, you know. I love blush. Have no idea how to open this. We're learning together. Oh, it's a screw. Yes, it's a screw top. All right, so it looks like this. I think I'm going to put a tiny dot on my hand because I'm unsure of the level of pigmentation, and honest to goodness, I'm scared, y'all. I'm going to do this much. Oh, this kind of gives me like NARS Orgasm vibes. Very kind of peachy pinky. It feels kind of tacky, which I do not like, so we'll see if it actually calms down. And of course, rosacea RIRI's in full effect, so we may not even, you know, get to see what it looks like. I really love the glow. I want to see if it calms down, settles down. Does it still feel sticky and tacky through the duration of the rest of the video or not? The color is lovely, and I feel like you could probably build this up pretty good too. And that glow, ooh, I might like this, y'all. All right, so far so good. We'll see what happens through the duration of the rest of the video. But I really like that, and it's kind of cool to see a product like this in here, especially something that I haven't used. Next up is I have been wanting to try this. The Ole Henriksen Truth Brighten and Correct, the Banana Bright Vitamin C Stick, enhanced vitamin C, caffeine, and brightening pigments. I've been wanting to try this as well. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Instantly brighten and color correct your under eyes with this vegan unscented eye cream with enhanced vitamin C and caffeine. Oh baby. And this is the shade Banana. I'm gonna try this too. Look, we're just gonna have a little smorgasbord on our faces. Component is cute. It actually does feel quite weighted as well, which I like. Let me bring my mirror over here this time. I'm sorry if y'all see it. All right. Again, I don't know how to open it. Oh, okay. It pulls out kind of like a lip balm. I do want to see how creamy it is. Not quite as creamy as I thought it was going to be. Almost feels like a firm concealer. All right, let's see what happens. I don't know how much to use. That might have been too much. And I'm just gonna go in with my, oh, okay. I think it just needed to kind of be warmed up a little bit because applying it here and kind of, you know, massaging it out here, it does feel quite creamy. Ooh. I should have done one side and then looked. You guys will have to tell me if you feel like you see any brightness. It does feel quite comfortable. All right. I mean, so far so good. I don't really notice a huge difference, but obviously I'm under bright lights, but excited to have that. Super excited to have that. Next up is a Pacifica Vegan Collagen Recovery Body Butter. Oh, that sounds amazing too. Feels very, very heavy. I don't know that I want to see a brand like Pacifica in here solely because they're a little bit more affordable drugstore type pricing. You guys let me know what you think about that. Next is a Ciate London Lip Mask, 2-in-1 Everyday Balm and Mask. That sounds lovely. I'm not going to test this out solely because I have so many open right now, but if you know, you know. I love to have something on my lips. I love to have balms and tints and things like that. And then last but not least is a Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Snap Shadows. These are the little mini snap shadows that click together. And this one is in the shade or the variation number 6, Smoky. Oh, very pretty. If you are into cool tones, I think you would be absolutely obsessed with this. Not my vibe, so I'm not going to be keeping it. I will definitely put it in a pay it forward or do a giveaway or something like that. You guys know nothing goes to waste here on my channel. I think overall, I have to say the Boxycharm by Ipsy was the winner this month. I really love pretty much everything. I love body butters. I've been wanting to try this already. This is something that's kind of cool and unique for me, for my collection. I don't really have many liquid type of blushes. And it has dried down. Oh, and it almost looks like it blurred my skin as well. Ooh, that's really pretty. Let me know if you've tried this. And do they have bronzer drops? Because I feel like they might. And if they're like this, I think I would love it. The palette, very nice to have. It's not very makeup heavy though. We basically got skin care. So I know those of you that are makeup obsessed, you probably didn't like this variation. And keep in mind, this could just be what you might get in your bag or what I'll get in my paid for bag. I'm excited. Hopefully, if they have the bronzers of these, I get it in my paid for box. That is it, beauties. Comment down below your thoughts. Let's have that conversation. You guys know I love interacting with you. And also don't forget to go subscribe and enter the 3K giveaway. We are so close, you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of my beauty family. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.